Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and I'm going to show you how to install the SIM card as well as the SD card. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start back over here. So we're just going to go ahead and do this on my new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and this will be my first time that I'm actually installing my SD card as well as my SIM card here because I just got this. All right, so first thing you want to do is look on the top here where the SIM and SD card tray is. Go ahead and get your SIM ejection tool. Now the thing is, if you don't have this, you can use a thin paper clip to put it into the hole, or if you're on an airplane and you need to change SIM cards, you can always ask somebody that's wearing a stud earring, and you can also use the back of the stud earring to pop this tray out as well. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this SIM ejection tool. I'm going to go ahead and press in, let this tray pop out just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Now watch very carefully with this, okay? Because you do kind of have to like snap it in place. So here's my SIM card here. And you can kind of see where the indentation is on the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and match it up with your SIM card here. So we'll go ahead and place that just like this. And then you hear like a little snap, and then you get the SD card and you line that up as well. So we'll line it up right here. Push in here. Oops, the SIM card kind of popped out. Let me pop both of these back in. Now once they're both in, you should be able to turn it like this and it's not going to come out. So from here we go ahead and simply slide this back in. Just like this, all the way in. Now give it a second to register, and we're waiting for my SIM card to get a signal first. All right, so it took a couple minutes for my SIM card to register, but you can see up here the 4G LTE, so I know my SIM card is good to go. Now for the SD card, what you can actually do is you can check it as well. So what we can do is go into our settings, so go ahead and just, on the screen, just swipe up like this, and then you want to go to your settings here. And then from here, we want to go to device maintenance. Tap on device maintenance, and then down here it says storage, tap on that. And on the bottom, very bottom down here, we should see SD card. And you can see I'm using 8.2 gigs out of 120 gigs on this particular SD card. So pretty simple. I'm up and running on my SIM card as well as my SD card. If you guys have any questions or need assistance, go ahead and comment below and I'll try to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.